Hi, I'm Paul Anate from TechLED. Hilton Fort Lauderdale asked us to refresh their lobby, and they wanted one thing: a clean, premium LED wall that guests would notice the moment they walk in. We proposed a Greco TV Studio Series P1.53, 25 by 6 feet, curved and wall-mounted for close viewing, and the fun part was the curve for the wall. We worked side by side with Hilton's architects and infrastructure team. Our crew built a custom wall structure, kept all cabling concealed, and aligned the curve to the millimeter. We installed and calibrated in just a few days, with no guest downtime. Up close, the image is gorgeous. 16 million colors, high refresh, and brand content that actually feels alive. Welcome messages, event highlights, even art. Online support with a 5-year warranty and a NovaStar certified technical support, a dedicated customer service from our qualified team. If you're planning a lobby upgrade, I'll be happy to work with your team in creating a memorable moment for all your guests to experience. If you'd like to know more, feel free to talk to one of our TechLED experts at techledwall.com.